Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-HTE80 sound system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this unit not responding to button pushes or not connecting to things or not making sound and you're trying to fix it, this is a good step to do. And also, if for whatever reason you just want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box with all the settings and everything deleted and back to the factory defaults, this will work as well. So with the system turned on, we're just going to go find the power button and press and hold the power button on the main unit for at least 4 seconds. But basically you're just going to hold the power button and keep an eye on this display here. And when this display pops up, it will say reset. That means that the unit has been reset. You can let go of the power button. Then you can go ahead and turn the unit off, turn it back on, and it will turn back on into its factory default state. You can go ahead and set it up as though you were setting up a brand new device.